Practice 6.2. Okay, A subjects possible value. Okay, you need to make a prediction for the melting point of potassium. Okay, so for the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium, they are group 1. And then you have some number to make prediction. That is science. Science, you can use the data to make prediction. So you can plot a graph. Of course, you can use the data in between, okay, between 96 and 39, okay, two number to make an average in the midpoint, or you like me to make a graph. Okay, so this is melting point. Okay, this is the group 1 metal. Okay, so the first one is lithium and then sodium. Okay, according to the melting point, okay, and you can make, okay, for example, this is 50, 100, and this is 150, and this is 200. Okay, for the first one, lithium, 180 lithium, okay, something like here. Okay, and next one is sodium, 98, so about 100, just a little bit below it. Okay, next one is the potassium unknown. Okay, we may find it later. Rubidium, RB, and it is 39. Okay, 50 and something below that. Okay, next one is the cesium, CS. Okay, this is about half is 25, a little bit above it. Okay, like here. Okay, it is difficult to make a straight line, but you can give a smooth curve. Okay, according to this curve, you can make a guess, something like here. Okay, and you can make a choice. Of course, it should be between these two numbers. So of course you can add these two together and over 2, make the average. So it's about 64. Okay, 64 degrees Celsius. Of course, your answer, if give 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, is acceptable. Okay, next one, B, according to the information, explain why rubidium is liquid at 50. Okay, for the rubidium is this one. Okay, 50 is here. Okay, 50 between 39 and boiling point is 686 degrees Celsius. Okay, you know, below, if the temperature below 39, it should be solid. Okay, solid. Okay, I write as solid. Okay, if the temperature above 686, it should be gas. I just write G. Now the temperature given is 50 between these two states, so it should be liquid arrow, liquid. So the answer. So the melting point is between, okay, below 50, okay, because it is about liquid. It should be a liquid at 50. Okay, so it's above, okay, above the, I mean, it should be above the, above the melting point, but below the boiling point. Next one. So this is right. Melting point below 50. Okay, and boiling point above 50. So that's why it is a liquid. Okay, or you can tell why it is liquid. 50 just in between the melting point and boiling point. So also is a liquid. Okay, C. Describe the general trend for the density. Okay, of course, we need, this is the general trend. Okay, generally. Okay, so for the data, 0.53, 0.97, okay, and 0.86, 1.53, 1.88. Okay, only something weird, okay, not normal for potassium. For the rest, you find generally it is increasing trend. Okay, the trend is increasing. Okay, for the density. So the answer, the density increases down the group, okay, except potassium. So that's why we use general, okay, 普遍地 ，okay， 普遍咁即係話咧有少少例外 ，okay。Of course, why potassium not okay a little bit degrees not increasing, okay, it's related to the structure you may learn in university. Okay, question 2. Student recorded the following observation when he watched a video between potassium and water. The reaction. Potassium is K, so the water is X2O. So the observation melt and golden yellow and the pH. Okay, give two incorrect observation. For the first one is golden yellow. Okay, it is not correct. And for the pH of the resulting solution is also incorrect. For the melt to form a silvery ball, it is correct. Okay. So for the first one, it should be for potassium. You have learned in chapter 3, flame test. For the potassium with fire, with flame, it should be line like flame, 淡紫色. Okay. And for the next one is for the resulting solution. In this chapter, you learn the resulting solution should be alkaline. So above 7. So it should be alkaline, not below 7. Below 7, for example, 6 is mean acidic. So you know potassium is group 1 metal. Group 1 metal have a name, we say alkaline metal. Why we say alkaline metals? Because after reaction, the solution turn alkaline. Okay, so impossible below 7, must be above 7.